With the publishing options we have, you can bring in your custom domain. And that means you can link it to a domain of your choice with a register of your choice. To do that, you will work with websites only. In this case, if I want to only focus on my websites, I can filter it up here by selecting websites. Now here, I have a project, and if I click on publish, we have these options. And the first one is the custom domain. Select it, and then over here, you will type in the domain. I'll just use up a made-up example so you can see kind of what will happen once you go to submit. You will get the data over here, which you will have to enter with the register of your domain. And then over here, it will show you the data that has been found. I will click on delete domain so we can go back to our publishing options and close this one. This one I have already set up. When I click here and I go to my custom domain, you will see that next to required data, we have the current data. And here it's already set up. And the green indicates that it is linking and fully operational. Most of the work is going to happen wherever your domain registry lies. Now that can be so many places. It can be with your host. It can be independently with GoDaddy or many others. To show you, I'm using this one called I Want My Name. And this is the one that I have connected, theyellowacadis.com. And if I click on it, it's going to take me into the settings, and every dashboard for every provider will be different. What we are looking for is this one that says Manage DNS Records. And you select that, and you will see that once we go into it, I will have those two records, which is the A record and the CNAME record, appear here. How to set it up all happens here within the dashboard of the register. I'll delete these and then do it from scratch so you can see how to do that. Go back to your account and you will see the first one is we're going to work with the CNAME record. Copy this data here, right click and select copy, and we go into your register and then select the type, which is CNAME. I'll paste that there. And then for the host, we're going to use www. And we click on add, and the check marks show you that everything is working nicely. Next one, so we go again, this time we select the A record. For the A record, select and copy, go ahead and paste, and then we have an @ symbol that we're going to add there. And then select add, and everything is working fine. In this case, I will say save DNS settings, and again, it depends on how yours look. But this is going to be the basic setup. Everything's still working perfectly. And in the event where you want to remove this, remember to come back here, select choose, and then we go to delete domain.